Snowy tornado siren test. This is gonna, oh, there's a bird on it too. Poor guy's gonna be scared. This is gonna be the ultimate test. I'm gonna get a jump scare, I know it. How did the snow get in this little thingy? What time is it? I can't check. So we're just gonna be surprised.
That's a crow.
Yeah, I know. God, what the heck? Ah, the bird I think got off. Stupid bird. But it's still gonna be an ultimate test because of the snow. I don't know what time it is, so we're gonna be surprised.
Hope no Karens come by. It's like, hi, aren't you guys supposed to be in school?
We're taking the day off because of the COVID. I'm just gonna be like, shut up, Kaylin, we're taking the day off.
There's a snowman. I'm very snowman with snow on the table. I'm just gonna throw that somewhere.
Okay, it should go off any second now. Probably.
Oh, it's so cold out.
I should have bought another device for like time.
Alright, I'm gonna go in the playground while this goes off.
I don't care. Do whatever. Heck yeah! This time, gonna get on the sidewalk. Right after all the others wind down, it just comes back on.
That scared me a lot.
Well, obviously, it's a tornado siren. I wish it was the first Wednesday of the month, because then we'd get some talking. Hopefully my bike is still over there. It is, yes. Both times success because we got it on film and my bike didn't get stolen. Nothing got stolen in the last one, actually. Last one was actually a pretty dry test. This one is freaking very snowy. That sounds wrong. I know, right? Why do that car have a paper license plate in its window? Why don't they just drill that paper license plate onto the back of the car? It's literally, it literally takes like 5 minutes out of your day. Maybe even 30 seconds. I can do that. I love the sound of crunching snow. Like whenever you walk in it and it's crunchy, I love that sound. I have little fake snowballs, and I'm not talking about the ones that you just squish and they do nothing. I have those cool ones that actually make the noise. Let's take this, since the siren test is over, let's just take that way. Yeah, we had to take the short way because it was like 11:57. I'm gonna walk this thing. This thing's so hard to go through the snow.
I'll walk it for you while you have
I got it. Holy heck, that siren test is awesome. I like how loud that thing is.
My butt went up.
And I don't wear earplugs in front of sirens because I don't feel like I need them. So other siren enthusiasts should know that you don't really need them unless you're like if you own one or something like that and you're super close to like the front of the siren, then yeah, you should probably need them. Like if it's lower on the ground, like right up to you or down to you, you know, then you should wear earplugs.
This is snow. Not really cute.
Oh wait, I should be doing it with this one.
Be careful. Child.
Okay,
I can
what
film
else?
it for you if you want. I'll throw my stick down.
So, oh, if you're just dumb, or not really dumb, but if you're wondering, the siren model is a Real-In WPS 4004, or if you want to call it this, you could just call it a Vortex. I just call it a Vortex because why not? I know it's stupid of me riding my bike in the winter, but I don't like walking. It's good. It's annoying because I like to leave at the wrong time on test days. So this is me every winter. It's not winter break yet. Everyone else is still at school. We're just all taking the day off because cough. I don't know why, but YouTube doesn't allow anyone to say it on there. There was a video that I wanted to post where I actually said the real name like 100 times. Not like for a video, but I said it a lot. Where? Oh, it's a little doggo. I'm not gonna film the address thingy because, well, someone's gonna hunt this house down. This dog is so cute. Get out of the way.
Sorry.
Oh, a little corgi.
Oh, I just have to do. This is cool.
Yeah, poor Noah. If he could have taken the day off last time and today, that would have been nice. I hope that bus isn't turning. Alright, I don't see any turn signals. Alright, I can stay in the road. I wish Noah could have stayed home, because then he could just be at my house with me, and he could have watched the siren with me. Noah's probably going to like this test because, well, why not? It's a siren test. I got Noah into sirens by showing him the Shelton Park EOWS 612. He liked the sound of it. I'm going up here. Oh shoot, I almost died. I know. There's just not too much snow going down, so of course it's not going to be deep. But it's going to be deep for mice and stuff like that. Oh, that dog's crazy. A crazy doggy. Big dogs are always crazy. But Pinky's not crazy. She's just psycho. Oh. I keep almost falling over. Whew. Yeah, that dog's crazy. Chihuahuas, I like how, maybe it's funny and cute. The little Grinch decoration, pretty cool. I'm not going to show it because I'm going to have to show the house. Or at least probably the number of the house as well because I'm shaking right now. Not because it's cold. I don't feel the cold other than on my hand. And I almost died. Okay. Yeah, I know. I've been there for like a week. Ow! Crap. Okay, hold this. Don't turn it off.
Alright. Noah just said okay.
He's just now reading my messages. I'm still gonna walk my bike even though I'm not really feeling like it, but I gotta do it.
There's people who like to steal bikes out here.
Yeah, last couple months ago, that bike stealing incident, that got annoying. We had to throw all of our stuff bike away. All this rideable stuff away. Well, not away, but throw it in the garage. Oh, Tico the Chihuahua. Hey guys, where are you guys leaving like this? How dare you? Aww. My hand is so cold, so I'm going to go run it under some warm water.
To make it work.
Block it. Take this stuff off. I don't really like winter. The only thing I hate about winter is you gotta wear a bunch of, winter gear. It gets annoying having to put it on. Hello! I was too lazy to actually change, so I just threw shorts on. Not shorts, pants over my shorts and called it a day. And then just grabbed my jacket and went. I gotta pee. The reason why I'm still rolling is because I want to show you something. I know I could have just made a part 2, but I don't like doing that because I like to upload late. I have a habit of doing that. Just like some YouTubers that aren't really big YouTubers. Our backyard barely even got any snow. Our satellite dishes are probably covered. I collect those as well. I like satellite dishes and sirens. Alright, I'm going to keep you right here because I gotta pee. And then you can just watch me walk out. My hand is still cold. Something I just thought about when I was in there, it's not actually winter. The 21st is winter, but it's technically winter because of how much snow it is. Chico, come here!
Chico boy.
Come here, boy! Come here! He needs to finish his food anyway.
Yeah, he does.
He's gonna be hungry later.
Alright, Chico.
I don't know why he never finishes his food anymore.
Chico, you want some,
I want to find that out because I think he has dog depression or something. Hopefully not. That would be sad. My doggy's too cute.
Ew, all this stuff.
I wish I could get the PS5 and the Xbox X. I like those two. Or at least the Xbox S because it's the same thing other than it's digital. Right,
Oh, he's
anyway,
eating.
that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'm not going to be all those other YouTubers and just force you to, like and subscribe and stuff. I'm not going to do that because you don't have to. I'm just doing this so you can watch it. Anyway,